Look at my cucumber bed. Oh boy. I see a lot of flowers blooming over here. Yes. Okay. Come on, cucumbers. Let us have a great harvest of cucumbers this season. Oh boy. Yes. Oh, y'all growing all up on the little trellis that I got here for you? Okay, okay. Okay, we're gonna soon see some cucumbers in this bed. Yes. Yes. Oh, look at the bee. Okay, bee. Pollinate them cucumbers for me. Yes, bee. Do your job. Okay. Looking great. Yes, you are. And look over here. My green beans have blooms on them. Gonna soon have some green beans growing in here in this bed. I have my squash growing in here too. Come on, squash. Come on, green beans. And yellow wax beans in this bed. Looking great. Yes, you are. I put some beans over here in the grow tower. And I have one that has sprouted out. Yes. Oh, it's so hot over here. My squash look like it's drying up, and zucchini over here is drying up. Lettuce having a hard time growing over here. I see you. I see some more beans coming up. Look, beans coming up there. Come on, beans. Come on, squash. Let this sun dry you out. There's another bean down there. Come on. Beans give them some nitrogen to grow bigger in here. Can't wait to see the beans towering over the sides of this here bed here. This grow tower. Come on now, y'all gotta grow big for me. Grow in abundance. Look at my beautiful cantaloupes. Come on, cantaloupes, grow for us. Okay, over here. Okay, cantaloupes. Come on and grow for us. I don't see too many of my watermelons coming up in the other bed that I have them in, but my cantaloupes are coming up. Come on, cantaloupes. Oh, a lot of big cantaloupes for us this season. Yes. Okay, cantaloupes. Looking good. Look at my pomegranate tree. Look like I see one is blooming there good and forming the pomegranate, and another one over here. Okay, pomegranate. Grow some pomegranates for us. An avocado tree over here, I don't see any more blooms. I think the birds came and ate the original ones that was on here when I first planted it. And I don't see any more sprouting out anymore. So come on, avocado, grow for us. My sweet potato slips are growing real good in here. And I have potatoes over in this side. Look like some of the sweet potato slips are coming over where the potatoes are. Okay. We have a great harvest of sweet potatoes and russet potatoes. I see your lemons getting bigger. Come on. Come on, lemon tree. Produce a lot of lemons for us this time. I still see a lot of blooms still on you. Come on, lemons. Yes. Come on, lemons. Let us have a great harvest of lemons soon. Okay, okay, lemon. I see you. I see you, lemons. Come on, lemon. Continue to grow for us. I decided to cover this garden bed area up with some shade cloth because we've been having some really, really hot temperatures in this area. And I didn't want my cucumbers and my squash to die out from the heat, and I was trying to grow some lettuce in this area and my green beans. Look at the lettuce and the green beans coming up there. More green beans there. So I got the shade cloth hooked up here to try to protect it from all of this hot weather we've been having. Been in the 90 degrees. Look at here. I see a cucumber coming in. Okay, cucumbers. Oh, a lot of flowers on here. A lot of flowers blooming. Yes. Come on, cucumbers. Grow a lot this season for us. Looking great, looking great. Yes, you are. Look at you. Okay. Look at all of those flower blooms there. All right. Green beans, you're looking good in here. Yes, you are. All right now. Continue to grow a lot for us.